Alright, you are welcome. So in this tutorial we are going to look at how you can insert an image in any shape in Illustrator. Then we also look at how you can customize any shape. You can see that we don't have this particular shape in Illustrator. When you go to the shape tool, you can't find any of this. But at the end of today's tutorial, you know you will be able to customize any shape. So let's go to File, New Document. Now I'm maintaining the 210. You give a name to your document. Click OK. Good. So this is our working space. Now let's come here. Use the Ellipse Tool. So use the Ellipse Tool to draw oval and then a circle. Let's change the color. And then let me also change the background. Let me go there, click on rectangle. Great. So now for you to see the circle, just right click on the rectangle, go to arrange and send back. Now let's change this to blue so we can see it. Now let me bring in another, let me go for a polygon. So now let me go and bring in an image. And then for you to bring an image or a picture in Illustrator, go to File, Place, and then in your system where you have your pictures, you select them. So I want to use this. You can select multiple images. Just press, click on one. Then you press the Shift button down. Sorry, the Control button down. Then you press the other image or the command button if you are using Mac. Good. So just click and drag. So now let's move on to how you can have the customized shape. Then after that we will look at how we can insert the image inside. So select that shape that you want to have, any shape at all. Go to Effects. Then under Effects, come to Distort and Transform, and then come to the second option, which is the Packer and Bullet. Good. Now when you come here, check the preview. This one will help you know whatever you are doing here. It will reflect here. So now hold it. It's at 0%. So let's bring it here. Perfect. You can even bring it further to give you a different shape. So you can use this one to add beauty. If you go to the other side too, fantastic. But let me stick to this one. Now after you've obtained the desired shape, click on. So now Illustrator, if you want to insert an image in a shape, copy the image first. So you use the shortcuts Ctrl C or Command C if you are using Mac. Then you go, or you can go to Object, Edit, and click on the copy, any of the method. Then come and click on the shape. Then you can see that on the last options here we have Draw Inside. Click on it once. Now you've realized that you have some white, black and white line around it. It simply means that this shape is ready to accept an image. So it's either you go to the edit and then click on the paste, or you use the shortcuts Ctrl V or Command V. So let's drag for it to cover the shape nicely. Good. So our image has been inserted. Now for you to make this shape inactive for an image, all that you have to do is press the Shift key on your keyboard down, and then press the letter D only once. That is it. So that is how you can customize any shape. Now let's come to this one. So this particular one, I'm going to use shortcuts only. So let me copy this image, Ctrl C or Command C if you are using Mac. Come and click on this shape, press down the Shift key and press the letter D twice. So 1, 2 to make it active to accept image. Then paste the image, Ctrl V or Command V if you are using Mac. Good. So you just drag for it to fit perfectly. Shift down and then D. So now that you have this one, you can add stroke to it. So for you to add stroke, highlight on that shape, come to this side, the second one. You can see that it's black color that has been selected. Now if you insert any image in a shape and you click on the stroke will not appear here. Come to this side, you can see that the stroke is there, the point is 1. So you can either use this or you can click the drop down menu and you select whatever you want. Now let's change the stroke color from black to, let's say, white. Alright, that is how you insert an image in a shape in Illustrator. Add stroke to it to make your work more nice. So before we end this, select the image, come to transparency. Now it's normal, so let's select lighting. So you can also do this. You can see that the image change. Now it's now some kind of yellowish thing. Okay, so that is how I want to. So that is one way you can also add beauty to your image when you set it in a shape. You can go to transparency. So there are quite a lot of them. You can use the hard, soft, and all those things. So thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share, like, and comment.